Hey guys, welcome back for another video. I am ADRIA If you are new here, hey. If you're not new here, what's up? So this video, disregard how I look. Oh, today I got sent this wig. Me, RXY, yes, sent me this hair. Details of this hair will be down in the description box because y'all know I don't be knowing the information for real like that, and I'd rather you not quote me on being wrong. So they sent me this hair. They're an Amazon company. It says 18-inch T-part wig, natural color. In the packaging comes an elastic band, which I'm super excited about, as well as some eyelashes that I probably will never wear, but thank you. Thank you, thank you. 100% human hair. It's a natural color. Oh. Whoopsies! We're gonna install this wig today. It did not come with a wig cap. I have a wig cap, so I'm gonna put this wig cap on, and then we're gonna try this wig on, and then after we try it on, I'll decide if we're going to add the adjustable strap or the elastic band in the back, or if we are going to secure it down with bolt hold, or if we're just gonna use some Got To Be freeze spray. This lace is transparent lace, that's what it says. You know, I wear wigs, but I ain't hip, so I don't really know exactly what that means, but I mean, you know, it appears to be saying what lace, so the only downside is that it is the T part, so it literally just has the lace part right here. So we're gonna have to do a middle part, and I'm not a middle part girl, so we'll see how this goes.
For now, let's the construction. There's two wig caps on each side in the front. There's wig cap, sorry, comb. There's a comb on the back. These adjustable straps are automatically in there. There's lace on the back. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why.
And yeah, I mean, just, regular construction. Like I said, it does come with an elastic band, so we'll see if we need that. Additionally, we'll see if we even need these combs in the front, because if I decide to put this down in any manner to secure it to my forehead technically, then I'm taking these combs out because they're gonna irritate my head. So let's just throw this on. This is a regular size, average size cap. I got a big head, so let's see if this works in our favor. Oh, okay, she fits. All right. Okay, so as you can see, this lace is pretty much as it says, transparent, and there's a line of demarcation right here between where my cap is, and I could pull it up, but I think I'm just not gonna wear this wig. This looks real reckless right now. Not even gonna lie, we look real reckless. But I mean, this lace, lace looks like it's gonna be cute. I might just Got To Be glue this. Yeah. Cause again, I'm not a middle part girl, but we do have baby hairs. So I'm not fully feeling this right now. But I mean, the hair is pretty, it's soft. It's super soft. It's easy to comb, yeah, it's shedding. But not like terribly. In the world of wigs, you want the scalp and the skin to be the same color, even though that's not naturally occurring in real life. And if you don't believe me, go look at your scalp and look at your skin, and your scalp is lighter. I promise you that. If it's not, I'll send you $1 on the Cash App. And if you didn't know, the way you fix your wig parts is by, is that straight? Why are you touching my TV? So as I said, to fix your parts, you literally just douse your hair with water, douse it, wet it very much, because it's giving me, you know, like that, whatever that is, I don't like that. But you see, like, this is, it's a little lump, it's a little lumpy, so we're gonna get it all wet. You can mousse it, but I don't have mousse, or I do have mousse, but I don't use mousse, so. Get the got to pee, get the got to be spray out of this closet back here. Get some scissors so I can cut this lace. And yeah, we'll get the show on the road. I look crazy, don't judge me. right, y'all, so while we wait for this to do whatever it's doing, so side note, this bolt hole's a little old. So I don't know if bolt hole like goes bad or whatnot, but I may or may not have left the clip in originally when I did this part, and then I put 3 layers, let it dry completely between each 3 layers, and then I put my lace right here, and then I was gonna do the sides after, but she started slipping. So that's why I'm like, I don't know if, but anywho, so we gonna find out when I take this off, right? So nonetheless, these wrap strips are just some wrap strips I got off Amazon. I think they're in my Amazon haul. I'll link them down below. Actually, under the Amazon haul coming up. That's kind of centered around Christmas and also centered around baby. But like I said, while we're waiting, so Favored Things is a Black-owned business. My friend's Black-owned business, actually. And they make different merch for, you know, just positivity and, again, favored things. So favored is the key word. Positivity, enlightenment, those type of things. So they're based in Kansas City. So when I was back there, she gave me a couple of different items to try. She didn't ask me to do this, but again, Black-owned business. I'm gonna pump her up and shout her out, and maybe you guys will want to try some of their products. And yeah, and she's amazing anyway, so I'm actually gonna link all her information down below. She's very artistically, I was about to say artistically challenged. No, it's not challenged, it's she's very artistic. She sings, she's been getting her little model thing going on. She does a lot of different things. So, and she's amazing. She's an amazing Black woman. Just in general, she's an amazing friend. I love her to death. So, like I said, I will leave all her information down below. But this is just a little t-shirt that has Favorite Things on it. And then I showed you guys the glasses, what? The earrings, same little, I'm gonna say this is a bird. It's some kind of bird, but I don't wanna say it wrong because I don't know birds. I'm not an aviator. That's not my forte. So that's not my ministry. Look, so the earrings, super cute. Oh, dang it. Hold, please. Sorry, forgot an item. So anywho, shirt, earrings, and then cup holders. These things are freaking amazing. This might be a little crusty because I've been using it a lot of my babies. Been doing the most with it. I have 2 of them. But it has just a pretty little flower on it. It says Favored in the corner. And again, these are all handcrafted, handmade, very cute and like artistic. Love it. And then it's a little angel, a little, is this crochet knitted? I don't know, but it's really cute. Excuse me. It's really cute. It has a little halo. Super cute. We're gonna put this on our Christmas tree. Super cute. And then I'm terrible, so all the information about these products will be down in the description as well, because this is unicorn soap, but I don't think it's unicorn. It's something, I don't know, but it smells really good. It's like, I say everything smells like a man now, so don't judge me, but it smells really good. And then there's this, there's a proper term for it, like whatnot, but it's like, I call it a cream, but it's not a cream, it's not lotion, I'm trying to get this. It's like a wet butter. 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 It's like a wet But yeah, this is what this looks like. Don't judge it. I've been using it a little bit. But yeah, like they all smell really nice and fresh. And look, I asked her, I was like, specifically, what is the cream lotion with butter thing supposed to be used for? And she pretty much said anything that needs to be moisturized. And at this very moment, my lips need to be moisturized. So put a little bit of that on there. But yeah, and then so I'm actually gonna fold this up and hopefully you can scan it. But here's all the information for it. Hopefully that's clear enough. I don't know why it's acting like this, but you can scan that and get some information. And it says Psalms 84:11. I do not know that one by heart, but look it up. It may give you something that you need. So as I mentioned, those are the products. I'll leave everything in the description box down below. Let's see what this is looking like. I believe I did something different. I'm looking in the mirror, I'm sorry. Because I don't think I usually put my wigs on like this, so. You hear splashing in the background, the baby's in the tub. It wasn't dry. And this is called me being lazy because I should have. And I probably will. I'm gonna end up using this Got2b spray because it'll take this white residue off. But what I should have done is I should have used my blow dryer, but I didn't want to use my blow dryer. I didn't want to pull it out. The construction of this wig is cute and whatnot, but it's a little different because y'all know my edges is a little disrespectful. So we're gonna make sure the lace, I have no desire to have my actual edges out because when this hair is down, you won't even see that part, you know what I'm saying? And y'all know I'm not a middle part kind of girl, so this wig is just, she cute, don't get me wrong, but it's just not me. And I guess I could have, you know, shifted her and not had a middle part, but I wanted to do her like she's supposed to be done. And then, you know, if I want to make some modifications in the future, I will. And then I guess that lace was back there, I guess, if you wanted to secure it down in the back, but I don't know about y'all, but my head be itching sometimes. And this might be real ghetto, but I don't care because I'm not ghetto. But I have it, you know, like when it's secured in the front, I might just unhook that little, all right, I might just unhook that little comb back there and stick a comb on my finger if it's like down here and scratch. So, cause ain't nobody doing all that. Okay? That don't do nothing and it just pisses you off. I feel like it makes your scalp itch more because you be, I ain't that. I ain't Hershey me when you're doing it. So I'm gonna get a little closer to this here mirror in front of me, right for me. Like I said, I don't think I usually install my wigs like this, so I'm gonna end up cutting this lace and then putting the Got2b spray on the edge and wrapping it again, which actually I feel like this hair's shedding. Not bad, but probably because I'm doing too much. I'm gonna just get too ready for me, so I don't have to be trying to fight to find them. And then, you know, they say for your wig to look the most natural, you know, you do not cut straight across on your lace or you do all types of foolishness, but don't make it, like, make it more jagged than anything. And I'm not using my shears on this because it's lace and I use my because it's lace and I use my shears on hair, not on lace. So. bad boys. What I will say about this wig that's different from a lot of other ones though, is that it doesn't appear like the way that they constructed it. I don't need to cut off the ear tabs. Like there's no ear tab. There's no ear tab at all. I'm going to clean all this up with some alcohol. But first, I really just want to get this secured because see, it's not secured. Hey y'all, so I don't know how much of what I was doing I left in here, but I'm annoyed. This hair is really pretty, it's really soft, it's, you know, it has a nice little texture to it, all that good jazz. But it's so soft that, sorry, there's something in my hair, that I can't do these edges to save my life. I didn't do any additional modification to this wig, so I didn't do any additional plucking or anything like that. But I will, because yeah, so like I said, they got to be, I don't think there's nothing wrong with they got to be. I just put it all the way up here and clearly my wig is all the way back here. So that's why that didn't work out. I ended up using the, sorry, bold hold. The bold hold isn't, not got to be. The bold hold is fine. I just put it up too far, so that's that issue. I used the got to be spray. It works, I mean, whatever. But again, it's freeze spray, so it's not waterproof. So when I sat here and decided to wet this hair to bring down some of the volume my lace lifted. So that's why this is on here. So the lace can dry again and these baby hairs can do whatever the hell they're doing because they look crazy. But yes, so nonetheless, I appreciate you guys for making it through this with me. Like I said, I don't know how much of this foolery you've seen, but it's been a hot mess. I'm just gonna let you know. I also haven't had to install a wig in a while. I've been doing a lot of crochet styles or braided styles or headband wigs or no, yeah, that's it. Or wigs that have bangs, so I don't have to worry about that. Or I've just been throwing the wig on, pushing the combs in and putting a headband over it. I mean, you know, cause it's just is what it is. Cause this is my favorite. It's my favorite thing right here. I ain't gotta do nothing to it, right? Like it looks like I tried and I didn't. I just put a headband on, right? And we cute. Get some earrings, put you on a cute little outfit. You set. Alright? No one needs to know that it looks crazy underneath. So, yeah. So, yeah. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, suggestions, because y'all know I be struggling. The first time at least. I figure I get it together by the second time, but the first time I stay struggling. Then leave them down in the comment section. Give me a like if you like this video, or if you just want to, you know, thumbs up the video. I guess you could thumbs it down too if you want. Subscribe if you haven't already. Be on the lookout for upcoming videos, and with all that being said, I will see y'all in my next one.